Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the topic deviation based outlier detection. So this is the last technique in the outlier detection methods. So those who are going to watch for the first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and let's go into the topic now. So what is this deviation based outlier detection means? We will find out among the given set of data points, we will find out any data points are completely deviated from the normal way or from the normal behavior. So we will catch those data points as the outliers. So we will see if any exceptional cases are there. All these things we will find out from the given data sets, and we will consider those data points as the outliers. So such a technique is called as the deviation based outlier detection methods. So here identifying the outliers by examining the main characteristics of objects in the group here. So objects which will deviate from this description are considered as the outliers. So I told you know what is that one? Any objects which will deviate from the normal description are considered as the outliers. And the sequential exceptional techniques. So here it will simulates the way in which how the human beings can distinguish the unusual objects from among a series of supposedly like objects. So how the like objects and unlike objects will be deviated from the normal set of objects. So that is the sequential exceptional technique. We will use it for finding the outliers in the outlier detection method. Next one is the deviation based outlier detection. We are having the four techniques are there. One is the sequential exceptional technique, and the second one is the exception set, and third one is the dissimilarity functions, and fourth one is the smoothing factors. By using these four techniques only, we will find out whether a given data point is an outlier or not. So what is the sequential exceptional technique here? Given a data set D as a sequence of subsets, like D1, D2 are the data sets and so on till Dm, which is built such that dj minus 1 it is a subset of dj. So how I am going to access this dissimilarity means dissimilarities are accessed between the subsets in the sequence. So what is the exception set here? What is meant by exception set here? The smallest subset of objects whose removal results in the greatest reduction of the dissimilarity. Smallest subset of objects whose removal of results in the greatest reduction of the dissimilarity here. So if any exceptional subsets are there, we will try to find out what are those exceptional set of subsets. And dissimilarity function. What is this dissimilarity? Dissimilarity, how we can say that two objects are dissimilar to the each other here? That we are going to find out with the help of this empirical equation. And next one is the smoothing factor. What is the smoothing factor? It will tries to analyze how much dissimilarity can be reduced by removing the subset from the original set of objects. How much amount of dissimilarity we can remove it by removing the subset from the original set of objects. So if you are repeating this process, we will try to avoid the influence of the order of these objects. So four techniques are there in the deviation based outlier detection. And in the deviation based outlier detection, we are having the OLAP data cube technique is there. What is this OLAP? OLAP full form is a online analytical processing data cube technique, where we will use the data cubes to identify the regions of the anomalies. We will try to identify if any anomalies are there in the regions. OLAP data cube construction is we can represent our data cube in the multiple dimensions, where I can access the data from any of the dimension here. So here each and every cell value in the cube is an exception here if it differs significantly from an expected value. If any cell value is deviated from the normal or the expected value, then we can consider that one as the exception. Then how we can guide the user here means we are having the many number of visualization techniques are there, like in the OLAP usually we will usually construct the uh, drill down operations, roll up operations, and slicing, dicing. All these operations we will use for retrieving the only the relevant information from the given data sets. So this is the deviation based approach in the outlier detection process. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.